Are you passionate and well educated in finance and accounting? Do you dream of starting your own bookkeeping business, but worry about a hefty startup cost? Well, in this video, we will show you how to start a bookkeeping business with just $500. Step 1. Use $60 per month for any bookkeeping tool or software. By allocating $60 per month towards these tools or software subscriptions, you ensure that you have access to the latest updates and support services. It's important to research different options available in the market to find the one that aligns with your specific business needs while staying within your budget. Step 2. Use $50 per month for website cost. With just $50 per month, you can have a well-designed website that showcases your expertise in bookkeeping. Step 3. Use around $150 to registering your bookkeeping business. One important step in starting your bookkeeping business is register it legally. Allocating around $150 for this progress will ensure that your business is recognized and operates within the legal framework. First, choose a name for your bookkeeping business. Next, you'll need to register your business with the appropriate authorities. This may involve applying for a business license or obtaining an employer identification number from the Internal Revenue Service. Step 4. Use $50 per month for insurance costs. While $50 per month may not cover all potential risks entirely, it can still help towards securing suitable coverage. Research different insurers and compare quotes to find affordable options within the budget range. Remember that having adequate insurance not only protects your assets, but also builds trust with potential clients who want assurance that their financial information will be handled responsibly. Step 5. Use social media as a free marketing tool. Create professional profiles on these platforms that highlight your expertise in bookkeeping. Share valuable content related to bookkeeping tips, financial advice, or industry news regularly to establish yourself as a trusted authority in the field. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. By utilizing social media as a free marketing tool for your bookkeeping business, you can increase brand visibility and attract potential clients without spending a dime. Step 6. Learn bookkeeping online on YouTube. YouTube offers a wide range of channels dedicated to teaching bookkeeping, with experts sharing their knowledge in clear and concise tutorials. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skills, there are plenty of options available to suit your needs. Many YouTubers provide step-by-step guidance on various bookkeeping software programs such as QuickBooks or Xero. And Step 7. Join all freelancing sites to get first client. If you're just starting out in the bookkeeping business, one of the best ways to get your first client is by joining freelancing sites. Last, we assume that you already have a computer, so use the rest of the money for next month's expenses. Always use free resources and learn new skills to provide your bookkeeping service.